Very good morning, children. Welcome to grade 3 maths recorded video. Okay, in today's recorded class we are going to solve exercise 6b of the lesson fractions. We are going to solve exercise 6b of the lesson fraction. Okay, yes, you can open page number 103. Okay, yes, please open your textbook, page number 103, exercise 6b. Let's solve exercise 6b. Let me read the question for you. Mark the correct number of objects in each case. Okay, you need to mark the correct number of objects in each case, and one has been done for you. Okay, so your first problem is given as 1/2 of 14. Let me write the question. 1/2 of 14. Okay, so this is your question. What do you mean by 1/2 of 14? Okay, so in your previous online classes we have said that half is represented as 1/2. Okay, so I will just revise once again. Half is nothing but 1/2. Quarter is nothing but 1/4. Okay, and 3/4 is nothing but 3/4. Okay, so half is 1/2, quarter is 1/4. If it is 1/6, it is 1/6. If it is 4/7, 4/7. Okay, yes. So instead of 1/2, I will be writing 1/2. Okay, so the next step is you should write 1/2. And this half, the meaning of half is multiplication. Okay, the meaning of half is multiplication. The meaning of half is multiplication. So instead of half, I am writing the multiplication sign. And the next is 14. So let me write 14. Okay, so you need to do this. 1/2 into 14. You can cancel the numerator with the denominator. Okay, so this is the division part. You can do it. So here I can cancel 2 1s are 2 and 2 7s are 14. And the remaining part you need to multiply. 1 into 7 is 7 by, and here it is 1. So 7 by 1 is equal to 7. Okay. So 1/2 of 14 is equal to 7. 1/2 of 14 is equal to 7. And then they have given you 14 color pencils. Okay. So they have given you 14 color pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So these are your color pencils, right? So out of 14 color pencils, how many you need to shade? You need to shade half. So what is the half of 14? Half of 14 is 7. How did you get 7 here? It is 1/2. 1/2 into 14. 1/2 into 14 is equal to 7. Okay, is equal to 7. So let me shade or circle 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the 7 portions you need to make a group. Okay, so mark the correct number of the objects in each case. So I have marked the objects, 7 objects, that is equal to 1/2 of 14. Is it clear? So this is the problem which we have solved over here. Okay, yes, and we'll move on to the next problem. That is B. Let me write the question for you. 1/3 of 21. Okay, 1/3 of 21. Okay, so the next one is 1/3 of 21. So 1/3, how will you write 1/3? 1 is the numerator. So 1 by third is the ordinal, which is the denominator. So third is nothing but 3. Here instead of I will write multiplication. 21, write 21 over here. Okay, so you can reduce 21 with 3. So 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21. So 1 7s are 7. So 1/3 of 21 is 7. Okay, and next you have the 21 buttons. Okay, so what you have here? You have 21 buttons. Okay, so this picture is 21 buttons. So since 1/3 of 21 is 7, you need to make a group of 7 buttons. Okay, you make a group of 7 buttons. Understood this problem? Yes. Now we'll move on to the next one. Okay, the next one is C. Let me write the question for you. It is 1/4 of 12. 1/4 of 12. So here it is 1/4 of 12. So 1 is the numerator, 4th is the denominator. So your fraction will be 1/4. Then of is the multiplication. Then here it is 12. Okay. So please reduce the denominator and the numerator here. Okay. So here 4 1s are 4 3s are 4 1s are 4 3s are. So 1 3s are 3. So 1/4 of 12 is 3. 1/4 of 12 is 3. Okay. So you have 12 mangoes. Look at the textbook. You have 12 mangoes over here, and out of 12 mangoes, 1/4 means it is 3. You got the answer as 3. So you need to make 3 in one group. Okay. So 3 mangoes in one group. Okay. Yes. And the next we'll move on to D. Okay. The next will be D. 1/5 of 15. So let me write the question. 1/5 of 15. Okay. So 1/5 of 15. 1 is the numerator. 5th comes in the ordinal position, that is denominator. So 5. Of is into and write on 15. So divide the numerator with the denominator. So 5 1s are 5 3s are. So your answer will be 1 3s are 3. So 1/5 of 15 is nothing but 3. Okay. So here you have 15 balloons. Okay. So here you have 15 balloons. Out of 15 balloons, you have to shade 1/5 of 15. 1/5 of 15 is 3. So you need to make a group of 3 balloons. Okay. So just make 3 balloons in one group. Okay. Yes. And the next part is 1/6 of 30. Okay. So the next one is 1/6 of 30. Okay. Yes. Now let us represent this number name in the fraction. 1 is the numerator. So I will be writing here as 1. And 6th is the denominator, ordinal position. So I will be writing it here as 6. Into. This of is written as into. And then write 30. Now divide the denominator with the numerator. Okay. Please cancel this. 6 1s are 6 5s are. 6 1s are and 6 5s are. 6 5s are 30. Okay. 6 1s are and 6 5s are. 1 into 5 is 5. 1 into 5 is 5. Okay. So here they have given you 30 different objects. Okay. So can you see some puppies, balls, fish? They have given you total number of 30 objects. Now 1/6 of 30 is 5. You need to circle 5 objects. Here you need to circle 1 2 3 4 5. So you can make these as one group. You can make these as one group. So each group has 5 objects. So this group is said to be 1/6. Okay. So in this recorded video, we have done exercise 6B, first main A to E problems. Okay. We have done A to E problems. It is very easy chapter where you have learnt the number name of the fractions. Yes or no? In the previous classes, you have learnt the number names of the fractions. Okay, so using those number name, you need to write, if it is 1 6, you will be writing 1 in the numerator place and 6 as an ordinal in the denominator place as a number. So 1 by 6, this off is written as into, that is multiplication, and here 30. You need to divide 6 and 30. 6 ones are, 6 fives are 30. Multiply the top numbers, you will get the answer as 5, and that 5 you will be circling out of 30 objects. Okay, so this is all about today's class where we have solved exercise 6b. Okay, so thank you for watching the recorded video. Please watch the recorded video and you will become thorough with it. Will be a kind of a revision and you will be thorough in the lesson also. Thank you. Meet you in the next class.